Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a baked corn supreme dish. It is a recipe my mother-in-law gave me and you will love it. The ingredients are very simple. You will need a half cup of butter, 2 eggs, 1 can of cream style corn, 1 can of whole corn, an 8-ounce box of Jiffy corn muffin mix, and a half cup of yogurt. Let's start. So in a bowl, you will add a half cup of butter that you would have melted prior. To that, you will add 2 eggs lightly beaten. Then you will add an 8-ounce can of cream style corn. Then you will also add a 12-ounce can of whole corn. You will also add 1 cup of plain yogurt. You can also substitute it with cream cheese if you like cream cheese better. I like it with yogurt. Then you will start whisking it. Make sure everything is blended in. Mix everything well. Once you're done mixing it, you will add an 8-ounce box of Jiffy corn muffin mix. So make sure that everything is blending in and mix it very slowly. So you don't want it to be too runny. You just want to make sure that the Jiffy corn muffin mix is mixed with everything else. Once you are done mixing everything, you will get into a pan that you have greased prior. You will start pouring the whole mixture into it. And once you're done pouring the whole mixture into the pan, you will start distributing it evenly. Then you will preheat your oven to 350 degrees and you will let it bake for 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes, our corn supreme dish is cooked and you can see how firm it is and nice. So we let it cool off for a little bit and now it's time to serve. The corn supreme dish will go well with the salmon patties. It's in one of my videos that I've already posted. It is a great side dish and sometimes I don't even serve it with anything else. I just serve it plain the way it is and it's very good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell of notification for more video contents coming.